Micromagic Inc. is a professional inertial sensor R&D and manufacturing company certified by ISO 9001 RoHS 14000. Our production workshop is over 5,000 square meters, covering the production, inspection and testing of quartz accelerometers, fiber optic gyroscopes, and various MEMS inertial sensors. We have more than 100 professional manufacturing testing equipment, which can complete the production of more than 10,000 axes per month. At the same time, we can simulate a variety of complex environments and comprehensively evaluate the performance indicators of various inertial devices, including zero bias stability, zero bias repeatability, orthogonal error, temperature variation coefficient, etc., so as to ensure that various static and dynamic indicators are accurately controllable. We have industry-leading calibration algorithms, which effectively compensate the data of inertial devices output by various test equipment, so as to ensure the stability and reliability of the products. We have excellent process and assembly engineers in the industry, and more than 80 professional senior technicians can ensure the high quality and high yield of high precision inertial sensors. Our production process has achieved full digital management, including automatic data collection, analysis and upload of sensors, inspection and post-tracing management. Therefore, we not only promise high-quality products and services, but also provide you with trustworthy solutions at competitive prices.